Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosin from Rosin Journey Through Crafting. How you guys doing today? Guys, do I have a treat for you? Guess what we're talking about today? Yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. This KitchenAid right here. If you don't got one of these for the upcoming holidays, guys, you're not going to have a good holiday. Nah, I'm just kidding. But anyway, guys, I'm going to tell you something about this KitchenAid. My daughter's purchased a KitchenAid for me, I believe it was 2 years ago for Christmas. Yeah, I believe it was 2 years ago. And let me tell you something. I love it. That was one of my best Christmas gifts I ever got. And I really appreciated them for that. And I've been baking and making and shaking ever since then. So if you want to bake, make, and shake, guess what you need? Am I being paid by KitchenAid? No way. No ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. I just love this product, guys. So what we're going to talk about today, and since they bought me one 2 years ago, guess what I did? I bought them one this year. And I want to show you guys. This is beautiful. And yes, they have it on sale. So if you guys want it, you guys better run to Target because they have it at a perfect price. And not only did I get this KitchenAid, guess what else I got? Guess what else I got? I told you guys 2 years ago that every year I was going to buy myself an accessory. Hey, so welcome back. So do you see what I pulled out of the box? Check this out. Isn't this beautiful? Guys, this is the 4.5, I believe. Right? It's the 4.5? Yeah, this is the 4.5. Mine is a 5 point. But look how beautiful this is. It's small. It can sit on your counter. And guess what? You don't even have to put it away. This thing takes up little to no room. And check this out. Just check this out. Look. You got all of these speeds. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You know how fast 10 is? I would show you if I had it plugged in, but I don't. But oh my God, guys. And this is how you lift it. This is how you tilt it. Wait a minute. Not the whole machine. Just the... Look at there, guys. Yes, ma'am. Isn't she beautiful? Look at her. She is so pretty. And I just love this color. And guys, all your attachments will fit here. Right? You unloosen this here. Let me put it down. You unloosen this. And that come out in all your attachments. So this attachment will fit in here. Isn't that cool? I love it. I love it. So let's put this back. And I'm going to show you what comes in the box. But anyway, check this out. You're going to get this. And you know you need this, right? For your flour, for your cookie dough, for your drinks. I'm just saying, if you want to make cocolito, this is good for it. That's all I'm saying. So that's what I'm going to make later. But anyway, let's get to it. And this is, look at this. This is how you're going to make your dough, guys. This is how you're going to make your dough. You want to make your cookie dough? Check that out. Your pizza dough? You're going to need that. Pizza dough and this thing will do all the work for you guys. And you know you want to make your cakes and all of that other stuff there. You make your cakes. You can make your cakes with this. You see that? Come on. That's going to scrape everything from around the bowl. But you know what, guys? I'm just saying. These attachments came with it. And this is beautiful. Because you get 3 attachments, guys. And you can use this to make your, to mix your cakes and everything. And you can also use this. It's going to depend on you, what you want to make and how you want to do it. But let me tell you something. When KitchenAid first came out, if I recall, now don't quote me on this, but if I recall, you had to buy quite a few of these attachments. I don't believe you got 3 attachments. They made it smaller and they gave you 3 attachments for the price that they have it for. I'm telling you guys, you want your Thanksgiving to be fabulous. You want to make your sweet potato pies. And guys, you're going to see all those strings. I want to show you that. All those strings that this thing pulls out of your sweet potatoes. It's going to make your sweet potatoes taste just like, oh my God, I just can't wait. I can't wait to make my sweet potato pie. And guys, I'm telling you, you want to make your cookies. It's just so many things you can do with this. And this is why I'm so proud to bring this to you guys. Like I said, I am not being paid at all for this. I just love my KitchenAid. And guess what? They even gave you instructions, right, on how to work this baby. I mean, like I said, you don't need instructions, because if you want to make some cookies, you just throw your ingredients in there and it doesn't work. Don't let it whip. You want something whipped? This is what I'm talking about. This is what you're going to need for it to whip. But I'm going to close this down. Oh, she's so beautiful. And I'm going to lock it. That's all it takes. 1-2 steps. But I got something else. I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to zoom this into you guys. Look at these KitchenAids. Just look at them. Look at all the attachments. Look at all the attachments that you can buy to go with your KitchenAid. Just check out all your attachments. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is we're going to open the grinder box, and once again you get instructions on what to do with the grinder, meatballs, all kind of things, guys, all kind of things. I'm going to let you guys, oh my god, I just can't wait. I'm going to show you guys how you hook it up. That's what I want to do. We're going to make this a full video. I wasn't going to, but why not? We all here.
Make sure you say it came separately.
Okay guys, and another thing, this was purchased separately. This did not come with it. This is an attachment. When you buy your attachments, the attachments are separate. Please, just remember that, because I don't want you guys to think that you're going to go there and you're going to get all of this good stuff for that one price. You will not. Once again, this is a separate price. The grinder is a separate price. With this here, you have your attachments. If you want your meat to come out in certain, I mean, they're cute. Let's go through it. They give you one? Okay, so they give you one. Okay, so this is what you would do. Oh, you have one on here, so you get two. Okay, so that's just an extra. So it comes like this. So you have to, it came already, I'm sorry, assembled. So I'm just going to put that back. Put this on there. And you know what, guys? Just like that. You're going to hook this attachment up and you're going to start grinding your meat. Okay, guys, so I'm ready to show you guys. I'm ready to show you guys how this thing works. Okay, so the attachment comes like this. So you're going to put this on top of here, right? You see this hole here? Okay, so we're going to put this inside. Just like that. And I believe you can lock it with this little piece here. I'm pretty sure of that. Right? And then you put your meat, your pieces of meat, right? Because we're going to cut up our meat to small pieces. And then we're just going to shove it down in there. And the meat is going to come out here. Little pieces are going to come out. And I want you to see. Let me see if they have a picture in here. They're going to come out really grinded. Right? Because they're telling you here how to cut your meat. And your meat is going to come out grounded. So if you want to buy a steak and you want to make hamburgers, perfectly. You grind that steak and you have a steak burger, right? A steak burger. Imagine that, a steak burger. If you buy that big chunky meat and you don't know what to do with it, and you try to cook it, you try to bake it, and it doesn't come out quite right, do me a favor. Cut it in small pieces, shove it down, and guess what? It's going to fall down. Just like that, and you make your hamburger. I wish I had the hamburger. I wish I had that big steak to show you guys how easy it is. But you guys get the idea, right? Get that steak, put it in this grinder, just like this. I purchased this from Target. Not sending you there, but I'm just saying from Target. And this was $44.99. Originally, it was $69. So that's a nice little, chunk of change I just saved there. And that's why I got it today. Black Friday, it should be cheaper. So if you guys want it, go Black Friday to Target or go online if you want to. But this right here is something I'm going to love, guys. And I hope that my girls get a lot of use of this. I told them, if you get a KitchenAid, I ain't said I was getting it, but if they get a KitchenAid, they need to learn how to make them cookies. This thing is phenomenal. You can do so much. But like I said, if anybody want to give me a gift, and I say this every year, you know what to get me. Get me a KitchenAid attachment. This is Robin from Robin's Journey Through Crafting, guys. Thank you so much and have a pleasant evening.